Hello everyone, this is an introduction video about Scratch motion blocks. The motion blocks are used to control a sprite's movement, which means we have a sprite here and we have the motion blocks. Using this move block, we can make a sprite to move, and using this turn block, we can make a sprite to spin, and using the go to block we can make a sprite to go to a random position. Then using this glide block we can make a cat to move smoothly from one place to another place. This is the first category of Scratch blocks. So in Scratch we have totally 10 categories of code blocks from motion to my blocks. Inside this variables block we have one more list of blocks, including that we have totally 10 categories of code blocks. So motion is the first category of the Scratch code blocks. The motion blocks are color coded medium blue. You can see here all the motion blocks are in medium blue color, and these blocks are only available for sprites. For example, you can see here we have a sprite in our project, so we can see the motion blocks here. If I delete this apple, you can see here the stage is automatically selected, and you can look at the motion blocks. It is showing stage selected, no motion blocks. So there will not be any motion blocks for the stage because the backdrops can't move. And finally, there are totally 18 motion blocks, and they are divided into two parts, 15 stack blocks and 3 reporter blocks. What is stack block? For example, move 10 steps is a stack block, which means this rectangular block is shaped to fit above and below with other blocks. And then what is reporter block? For example, X position is the reporter block. This will report the X value of a sprite. So that's it for this video. If you are new here, please be sure to subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon. Thank you all.